Hi friends! Today I am going to show how to make boneless chicken fry in KFC style. The main step to get tasty chicken fry is we have to marinate the chicken for at least 4 to 5 hours. That's when the chicken will absorb all the juices and our chicken fry will become tasty. Now, I will say how to marinate the chicken. Take a bowl, put 250 grams of chicken into it, curd 2 tablespoons, chili powder 1 and half teaspoon, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, salt according to taste, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Mix them well and refrigerate for 4 to 5 hours. Here this is the chicken which I have already marinated for 4 to 5 hours, and after this we are going to prepare a coating mixture. That is, we have to season the flour. For this I have taken a bowl into which I have added 1 cup of maida, and with this spoon I have added 2 spoons of corn flour, and now we are going to season this flour with some spices. Here this is the oregano. This is easily available in all supermarkets nowadays. Salt, chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, pepper powder, and ginger garlic paste. Now, now we have to put all these masalas into the maida and corn flour bowl. Here I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, salt according to taste, chili powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri chili powder half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, pepper powder quarter teaspoon, and ginger garlic paste 1 and half teaspoon. Mix all these ingredients well. See that no lumps are formed into this mixture. This will be the outer layer of our chicken fry, so that's why we have to mix all the spices thoroughly. And like this we have prepared the coating mixture, and in another bowl take some normal water. Now we have to take the chicken piece, put into the coating mixture flour like this, roll it gently and dust it. If there is any excess flour we have to dust it like this, and again we have to put this chicken piece into the normal water. Keep it for 2 to 3 seconds, and after that again we have to put this chicken piece into the coating mixture bowl. Again we have to coat this chicken piece with the seasoned flour. Dust the excess flour like this, and again put it in the normal water. And this is the last time we are going to dip the flour. Dip it into the flour, roll it gently, like this. We have to coat all the chicken pieces. In the meantime we have to take a kadai, pour some oil and heat it on the stove. Like this, we have to coat all the chicken pieces one by one. Dust the excess flour. Again, dip it into the water. Take it out. Roll it in the seasoned flour. Dust it and keep it in another dry plate. Like this, we have to coat all the chicken pieces one by one. Like this, I am dusting out all the excess flour from the chicken pieces. Like this, we have to coat the chicken pieces. Now when the oil becomes hot, then we have to put the chicken pieces into the pan. Slowly add one by one. Don't be in a hurry. While the chicken pieces are getting fried, I am going to coat the chicken pieces which are left here. Like this, we have to coat the chicken piece. We have to turn the chicken piece slowly. If one side is cooked, then we have to turn it to the other side. We have to fry until it becomes golden brown color. Now the chicken pieces have turned to golden brown color. Now I am taking into the plate. See, I have kept a tissue paper to remove the excess oil from the chicken pieces. See, like this I have coated all the chicken pieces. Now I am slowly adding them to the hot oil. See, be careful. See, now one of the chicken piece I have it has slipped from my hand. So be careful while putting the chicken pieces into the oil. Gently move the chicken pieces so that one may not be sticked to the another piece. See, all the pieces are frying well. Flip the pieces like this. One by one you have to turn. See, we have to fry the pieces until they get a golden brown color. If we remove these pieces in the early stage, the chicken which is inside the coating, it will not be cooked and it will be somewhat soggy like that. So we have to fry them nicely. See, now our chicken pieces are fried to the golden brown color. Take it into the plate. So like this we have fried the chicken pieces, and now we'll plate it into another plate. See, see how nice color we have got the chicken pieces. It goes good with tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. KFC style